Plumbers, I saw this comment and I had to hit back. Nothing better than word of mouth. Websites are a waste of money. I think this is really dumb. Websites are one of the biggest ways that customers vet your business. It's also one of the few places on the internet that you actually own yourself. And on top of that, word of mouth is always small and very slow to expand. Each mouth can talk to what, 10 people? When $8 of an ad can get you 30 people once a day for 30 days. If you want to grow your company, you need influence, and influence is bought through the eyeballs. Trust me, 1 year of running political ads will teach you that in a heartbeat. Plumbers, follow me for more marketing advice that you could use.